Your final call with the aircraft now to gate number 5.
Okay guys, after check-in, we are here in the waiting area for our flight Cebu Pacific going to Coron. So, nandito kami. So, maraming tao siya. Naghihintay ng kanilang flight. So, waiting area and going to Coron, Cebu Pacific flight. Okay, we are right. Yeah, thank you. So finally, we arrived at Coron, Palawan. Thank you, Cebu Pacific. So this is the airport in Busuanga, Palawan. Okay, nakarating na kami dito sa Coron. This is our room. Meron siyang small terrace pero hindi ko gusto yung view. So ito ang aming banyo ng kwarto. Okay, this is the lavabo. Wala silang bidet. Toothbrush, soap, meron pang palanggana, maglalaba. Okay, naglalakad kami dito sa Coron. Nandito na kami, nakarating na kami sa Coron. Okay, lakad-lakad lang tayo. Ating i-discover para makita natin kung anong ganda ng Coron. So nandito kami sa restaurant, so medyo elevated kaya makikita ang view. Menu de burger steak.